Hello everyone, it's Wicked Bunnies. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have 8 awesome Halloween costume ideas for you guys. So the costumes range from some more gothic alternative looks and then kind of go into more cutesy, pinky girly type of vibes, so I feel like I have a little bit of everything this year. Almost all of the pieces that I used to make the costumes in this video are from my closet, so I'm hoping that these are easy enough to recreate in your own closet, or it's just kind of like a easy way to get some inspiration before Halloween since we still have some time before it's here. But yeah, let's get on to the costume ideas. So let's start off with the Rockstar Girlfriend. I thought this was a pretty fun and fairly easy costume, especially if you're already into the alternative scene. Like, this is a lot of basic staples that you should have in your closet. And I would say the main staple pieces to this costume are the bustier corset top, the leather jacket, the faux leather pants, and of course, the black boots. And as you can see, I'm just rocking out with my air guitar like a true rocker. So going into details with the accessories for this costume, I am wearing a page boy cap by Hard Rock, since I've seen a lot of people in the rock scene wear these types of caps. And then for my necklaces, I layered 2 and then added a lace choker from Claire's because real rockers love to wear as much jewelry as possible. And for my hands, I went crazy with rings since lots and lots of jewelry is really key for this type of look. And then for my boots, I have my favorite pair of black heel boots on, and to spice them up a bit, I added some studded bracelets that I got from Hot Topic and Aliexpress since I thought it really pulled the whole look together. And so the next costume idea that I have for you guys is a totally pink ballerina. This is a great costume if you want something that's more simple, comfy, and of course super pink and girly. I would say the main staple pieces to this costume are a ruffle skirt or a tutu, a leotard or a bodysuit, white tights, and some ballet flats. For my hair, I have it up in a simple bun since you usually see ballerinas wearing a bun while dancing, and I added a bow clip just for an extra cute little touch. For my outfit, I am wearing an actual leotard that I got for 14 bucks online secondhand, and then over the leotard, I layered a pink ruffle skirt that I already had since I thought it looked pretty cute and very similar to an actual dance skirt. And on my legs, I have some simple white tights like the ones actual ballerinas wear, and I layered some pink Legwarmers over them just because I thought it looked super cute together. And of course, I can't forget my ballet flats as I don't want to actually walk around on point. Now, of course, you know I had to add a Wednesday costume on this list. I think this is one of the easiest costumes to achieve because all you need is a white collared black dress, some black tights, some black Mary Janes, and of course, Wednesday's iconic braids. I paid about $12 secondhand for the dress, and you can easily find this style of dress secondhand online, in costume stores, and maybe even at your local thrift shops. I think the dress itself is actually really cute, so I bought it even to wear out of costume. You just know that I had to include a Samuel costume to this video, so of course, I picked the queen herself, Miss Hello Kitty. This costume is super cute, and it's also really great for layering if you live in a colder climate. So let's move on to the details of the costume. For my head, I have on a white wig, some cat ear hair clips, and a red Lolita bow. I got all of these off of Aliexpress last year, and honestly, they work perfectly together for a Hello Kitty costume. And you know I have to have my cat paws. They make the costume that much cuter and work great as mittens. So underneath my overalls, I have on a white Lolita fashion blouse, which I think is absolutely adorable. I just really love the puff sleeves, the Peter Pan collar, and of course I love all of the bows that are on the blouse. And I have on my blue overalls, which my sister was kind enough to lend to me, so thanks, Caddy. And finally, I have my white Puma sneakers on. They're practical, they're comfy, and of course, they're also quite cute. It's Britney, bitch. This has got to be the cutest and easiest homemade costume I've ever made, and trust me, I've made quite a few. Literally, the idea of me making this into a costume for this video is because I was obsessively listening to her song, and then I realized the schoolgirl outfit that she wears would be the cutest Halloween costume. The items in this costume are pretty easy to find too. Like for my hair, I bought some pink free scrunchies and then tied some pink satin ribbon onto the bottom of the braid. Now for the clothes I'm wearing, I took a basic white button down that I already had in my closet and tied it up just like she did in the music video. and then layered over it I have a gray cardigan, and then I have on a basic black pleated miniskirt, which I actually made shorter by rolling the waistband up. I had to show off the iconic black thigh highs, you know. And paired with my black thigh high stockings, I have my good old black Mary Jane shoes. These shoes literally go with everything. I love them so much. Costume number 6 truly makes me feel like a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I got inspired by the pink gingham dress that Margot Robbie wears in the Barbie movie and thought this would be a cute and simple costume idea. Like, all you need is a pink gingham dress and a blonde wig and you're Barbie. I actually made my own pink gingham bow hair clips to match with the dress because 1, I like being crafty, and 2, I love matching all of my outfits perfectly. And speaking of matching things perfectly, I have on a pearl necklace with a little pearl charm and some matching pearl bracelets on my hands. And can you believe that I found this adorable pink gingham dress at Walmart? Literally, it was perfect for this costume. And lastly, on my feet, I paired some cute white lace ruffle socks with some pink bow Lolita heels that I love and adore. Like, come on, these have got to be one of the cutest pairs of shoes that I own. You just know I had to add a cute animal costume to this video, and what's cuter than being a fluffy white bunny? This really is such a sweet and simple costume, and I think it is pretty easy to recreate for yourself. Most items I am wearing you can find either on Amazon or at a costume store nearby you. For my head, I'm using the same white wig that I used for Hello Kitty, and I clipped some bunny ears to the wig, you know, because you gotta have your cute lappy ear moment. And for my neck, I have this super cute pointel lace pink bow choker, which I thought added so much cuteness to the outfit. And for my hands, I have on the same paw mittens that I used for Hello Kitty because bunnies have the cutest little paws. For my top, I am wearing the cutest Cami from Brandy Melville. I just live for the lace, the bow, and of course the eyelet heart pattern on the top. And of course, I have my favorite fluffy skirt on. It's one of my favorite pieces that I've ever bought from Amazon. And the matching fluffy legwarmers are also another adorable thing that I've purchased off of Amazon. And basically, I paired these little cute guys with the same pink heels that I wore for Barbie. And for the last costume in this video, I am being a French maid. I basically mixed some Lolita fashion with general kawaii dolly fashion for this costume. Honestly, I think most of the costumes on this list can be totally used as cute outfits if you're into alternative fashion. Like, I'm not even joking, I'd probably wear most of these costumes as actual outfits too. For my head, I'm wearing a Lolita rectangle headdress as I thought it looked pretty maid-like. I just love Lolita headdresses in general because I think they're so girly and so frilly. And for my blouse, I have this adorable black and white lace one with bows that I got off of Taobao a while ago, and then I put on some white lace Lolita cuffs so that I could match the whole French maid vibe. For my skirt, I have on this pretty black layered ruffled mini skirt that I bought off of Aliexpress. And for my feet, I have on some black tights and layered some black and white frill socks over them to keep up with the frilly vibes. And that was all of the costume ideas, guys. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite costume idea. Personally, I think I'm gonna go as the "Hit Me Baby One More Time" Britney Spears costume because I thought it looked super cute on me and I think it's a really unique costume idea. You don't really see that many Britney Spears walking around trick-or-treating, you know? I'm also thinking about going as the bunny. I'm not sure. They're kind of tied right now, to be honest. They're just both super cute and very girly, so you guys will see which one I end up with on Halloween because I'm sure that I'm going to post some pictures up on my Instagram, which is @WickedBunnies for anybody who doesn't know. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it if you stuck around this long. So since you have stuck around this long, let me give you a heart and heart to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta! Mwah!